I just finished my swimming lesson. And I had this necklace. Ah, no, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Hey, you're the best in the world. Bye!
Hi guys, good afternoon. Hi baby Celine. Yeah. What are you doing? Tatapi. Boo. Boo. Can you tell Tita and Tito where we're going? Lang? Psst. Where are we going? This way. La. Nanak, ano man nangyari sa damit mo, nak? Where are you going? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? Very nice shoes. Very nice shoes. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. And here, oh, almost done here. Oh, it's now 1:26, my love. 1:26. It's currently 1:30 ng hapon and kakapasok ko lang kay Baby Celine sa sasakyan. We are going to pick up Ate Paris now. Sobrang aga pa. Normally 3 o'clock ko siya pinipick up. But today, meron kasi kaming appointment for her 4-year-old checkup with the maternal and child health nurse. So, kaya yun, kailangan natin siyang pick upin before 3 o'clock. Sobrang init ng panahon. Ala, may langaw. Hi lang. Hi lang. Wala siyang pakialam eh. Ayun mo lang ganyan para hindi umiyak. So, padalas ko hala. Hindi ko pa pala ito napasok. So, dala-dala ko rin to siya kasi mamayang hapon 4:20 may swimming lesson ang ating Ate Paris. So, it's a very busy day today. So, after namin sa kanyang, hopefully, ay kaya ng oras na maratnan pa namin yung kanyang, swimming lesson. Lang! Hey, look! Celine! Grabe, napakainit, guys. 31 degrees outside today. Off be. Grabe. Kailangan magsombrero talaga kasi pag direct sa skin mo yung init, parang nasusunog yung mukha mo. Yeah, so yun na nga. After ng check na Ate Paris ay magdadrive kami straight papunta sa may langaw pa sa loob. Hala. Grabe, ito yung tropical talaga guys na weather ba. Ayaw umalis. So, doon, idadrive natin sa Ate Paris diretso sa kanyang swimming lesson. Tapos, yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay kikitain daw niya kami doon kasi obviously gusto niyang makita ang kanyang apo na mag-swimming. So, ayun. Sama tayo, guys. Yung isa ay walang paki sa mundo. Oh. Relax na lang yan siya, oh. Hayaan na lang natin. Buti na yan kaysa umiyak.
A few moments later.
Well done. Yeah. It's getting a bit hard now. Can you do that? Yeah. Good. Alright. What about that one? Can you find it on your little card?
Have a look. Look at that.
Look at this one. Can you see it on your card?
Time check guys, it's 4 in the afternoon at pasensya na ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit kasi sobrang anong tawag, limited yung oras natin kanina. So nagmamadali kami pick upin sa Ate Paris sa Kindi and then late pa kami nung dumating kami doon sa appointment. So dapat sana 2 o'clock, dumating kami doon ng 2:15 kasi guys medyo malayo siya sa amin. It's I think just over 30 minutes na drive and hindi pa ako nakapag-drive sa area na yun. So alam niyo ba, nawala kami. And what's very hard about driving here in Australia guys is that hindi ka parehas sa Pilipinas na mag-U-turn ka lang kapag na-miss mo yung yung liko mo. Dito guys, you have to like finish the road kasi hindi ka, especially yung mga main road, hindi ka talaga makaka-U-turn ng sobrang dali. So you have to finish, pag hanapin mo pa yung kasunod na liko before ka makaka-U-turn. So we ended up getting there late and buti na lang yung nag-check kay Ate Paris doon. They were very helpful at sobrang nice nila guys. So isang lalaki, isang babae and ito na lang kasi may nagmamami na dito. Nag-stop pala kami dito sa guys, sa bakery kasi gustong kumain ng shakoy. We'll give some sige na mami kaya gusto nagka-shakoy. Maybe do you think we should give Selena? Yum! Yum! So, nagmamadali din kami ngayon kasi alam niyo naman na swimming din ni Ate Paris at 4:20, so we only have 15 minutes left. Although, 5 minutes lang naman yung drive from here to swimming school ni Ate Paris, so that's okay. Naghintay na doon yung kanyang lola kasi yung lola niya ay sasama para makita niya ang kanyang apo na mag-swimming. But going back to the test, the checkup with Ate Paris. So, yung check na yun guys is for 4 to 5 years old, like general checkup, eyesight, hearing, development, everything. So, thanks God, as expected, Ate Paris's eyesight is really good. Actually, sabi niya na parang tinest pa talaga niya sa Ate Paris kung pa. So, I think 1 or 2 over yung eyesight ni Ate Paris na she's, the eyesight is really good. The test was very fun for Ate Paris. So, para hindi mano yung mga bata ba.
Class 2, what does it make? Class 2.
Huh?
Class 2.
Plus 2?
What does what number is that?
Plus 2? I'm not sure.
I feel like 10.
Really? Yeah, maybe. So, para i-check yung kanyang eyesight, guys, may hinahawakan siyang parang chart. Tapos, yung lalaki may chart din. So, malayo siya. I'm not sure kung gaano kalayo. Ang ating camera ba? Parang may tuldok, no? Pasensya na, ha? But, pinapakita niya kay Ate Paris from afar kung yung letter. Tapos, tinuturo ni Ate Paris. Yung isa dito, tinatakpan. So, ito lang nakakita. And then, the other round was, ito naman yung tinakpan. Tapos, ito yung nakakakita. So, yeah, that was really good. And then, the hearing, pinasuot siya ng, headphone. And then, sinabi sa kanya na every time na may marinig kang beep, clap. So, ayun, nakuha naman lahat. So, sabi niya, yeah, the hearing is perfect as well. Developmental, there's no issues. She can speak properly. She can understand. So, all in all, everything is good. The only thing is, yung pinausapan namin is yung eating nga kasi, yun nga, very fast sa Ate Paris. But then, she's starting to get better now with that. So,
A few moments later.
I just finished my swimming lesson. And I had this necklace. Oh, no, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Hey, You're the best in the world. Bye!
Hala, ang lula ni Celine doon ay nahihirapan sa kanyang apo. Soon, anak. Oh, kasi kaya nga sabi ko sa kanyang mama ni daddy, sabi ko, every Wednesday I'm very exhausted. Like every single day naman exhausted ako, no? Very tiring. But every Wednesday talaga guys, kasi alam mo ba, sobrang hirap. Ganito, binibisan ko sa tipares, tapos may isa na gustong lumayas. Buti ngayon kasi andun siya, yung nanay ni Daddy Mike yung nag-alaga. Oh, and you know what? Very special day today, Kati Paris din guys, kasi in-announce ng head nila dito na this week is graduation week. So, you know what that means? Sabi niya, kung ma-mention ang name nyo, it means you are going to the next level next year. So, mag-graduate nga. Ang tinawag nila ang name natin, Paris.
Did I pick up?
Yeah. So, it means next year, ay, next level na sa Ate Paris sa kanyang swimming.
And I wouldn't be in number 3 anymore.
Yeah.
But I live in number 3.
Congratulations,
Congratulations, Mike. It's a congratulations.
Congratulations.
It's okay to say like this.
Yes, superstar, you know?
You are good! Hey, you say.
Superstar. Go ahead.
Look at this. Look at this.
Put it on. Nini girl.
Also platypus. Well done.
Yay! What do you say, Paris?
Thank you. Hey, honey, I'm gonna have a
Oh, that's so cool! Look, certificate of completion. We're finally home. Here's baby Celine. Upo muna ako dito guys. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod talaga. Huh?
Okay,
Yes. Sobrang init today. But tomorrow, it's going to be 37 apparently. Mom said, yeah. Yeah?
Sorry about that.
For Mummy?
It's okay, my love. You didn't scare me.
Move over here for Mummy.
Like this.
You didn't scare me.
These here, there's still a few things on the line that are not dry.
Oh, really? Not dry? That's
Yeah,
interesting.
Just the mats.
Like that.
How about that though?
Which one I was using? I don't know which one I was.
Thank you for helping
Can you
Paris.
pick those, Paris? Can you pick those up, please?
Yeah.
And put them over here. Here.
Okay, some nappy for Celine. Go to Paris. Ate, give me nappy, please.
Hey guys.
Look. Look there. Oi!
That was a good one.
Thank you. Kasi tayo, anong lutuin natin ngayon? Kakauwi ko lang galing mag-grocery, guys. Iniwan ko yung mga kids dito sa kanyang wala. Kasi si Daddy Mike nag-work pa. Sila yung naiwan dito. Buksan ko lang ito. Ilalagay ko sa... Chilling Shami. Mini girl. Bumili ako ng hapunan. And bumili din ako ng for tomorrow. So, ayun, may mushroom tayo para sa egg bukas. What else in here lang? We got milk. Kunti na lang yung naiwan sa milk. What else is in here lang? Some yogurt for Celine and Ate Paris.
long loading dynamics, I guess. So he's cutting the
Wait,
with that
yeah.
just in case.
What are you doing with the meat? Give it to mama.
Mark it now.
Eh, mag-adobo tayo bukas. Give it to mama. Thank you, princess. Tingnan niyo, kita niyo ba ang liit-liit ng ulo? Oh.
Alright, that's all done.
Fill up in here, mama. Have some bacon. Egg, ham. Egg. Buang ko eh. Corn. And then ham. Corn. We have some this. Hindi natin sabihin kaya makarinig ang ating parents. Nak, open up be. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Abo. Chips. Ayan, cheese flavor. Butter. Noodles. Hoy! What are you doing now? Nabili din ako ng maraming tubig. Bigat-bigat, sabi ko, dari mas carry dito sa taas naman pagkatapos niya. Kasi, ano ba? Ano na lang siya, 15 minutes na siguro matatapos na yun. Cheapies. And then, bumili ako ng isang sakong bigas. 5 kilos lang pala. Ayan. Yun lang ang aking nabili. Yun lang. Can you put that away, please, lang? For mama? Ready, girl? Ilang oras na, oh? Ay, hindi mag-focus. 6:56. 6:57. Ayaw pa rin mag-focus. Bahala na si Batman. Shh! Nak! Mama said, put it back here. Yung mo naman yung gigawas tanan. Here, sabi. Here, sabi. Be, siya, tita, be. Uy! Ang lalayas na, oh. Layas na. Can I have a look, please? Layas na si Madam. It's a warm night in Brisbane. Tingnan niyo, may airplane na paparating. Ati! Huh? Put that away now, na. Nire-ready lang namin yung mesa, guys. Nagluto yung mama ni Daniel. Dito kami sa labas kakain. Lynn! What are you playing with, anak? Andun siya. Kita ko. Ayan siya sa kusina. Nagluluto. Ayan, ang ating Daniel ay naglilinis. Ice! 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 What is that? What is that? Give Mama the balloon, please.